Today we're diving into some common math challenges faced by students and how we can help them overcome those challenges. Our group focused on two specific scenarios, one in grade 4 and one in grade 6. First, first up, we have a grade 4 learner struggling with division multiplication. Imagine trying to multiply big numbers like 32 by 14 and just feeling totally lost. The problem here isn't just about memorizing steps, it's about understanding why those steps work. This student likely needs help to two key concepts, place value and distributive property. Think of place value as knowing the address of each digit. Is it in the ones place? Is it in the tens place? Once we understand that, we can use the distributive property to break down those big multiplication problems into smaller, easier ones. We can visually represent with those base 10 blocks or area models. By breaking it down, it makes it less intimidating. We need to reinforce place value with charts and manipulatives and use clear step by step instruction. Now, let's look at our grade 6 student. They're tackling ratio and proportion, especially in word problem. Picture trying to figure out how many cups of flour you need if you're doubling a recipe. The challenge here is translating real world situation into math. It's about understanding how quantities relate to each other. They need help seeing the relationship between quantities. We can help by using visual aids like bar, models, or diagrams. We can also use real life example like recipe or maps. We make it relatable. Breaking down word problem into smaller steps is crucial. Read, identify, plan, solve, check. To help both of these students and others, we've designed a fun game called Inverse. It helps reinforce the relationship between multiplication and division. Here's how it works. Player gets player gets a multiplication question and a hint. If they answer correctly, the question is reversed into division. The faster they answer, the more points they get. This game helps students to see that division is just the opposition of multiplication. It makes multiplication and division less daunting. This game helps them understand that if 5 times 5 is 25, then 25 divided by 5 is equal to 25. It solidifies the relationship between the two operations. By using visual aid, breaking down problems into smaller steps, it makes learning fun with games like Inverse. We can help students overcome these math challenges. Remember, it's all about understanding the concept, not just memorizing the rule. We